first one is greater than. So we know that hydrogen atom has proton, it is positively charged, the nucleus is there, and its proton and electron is revolving around the nucleus. Suppose you assume this formula. Then the mass of electron is smaller, we take the smaller, and capital F will be the mass of the nucleus. Then the reduced mass is m by m plus capital. Since mass of the nucleus is heavy, therefore m is much larger than small m, mass of an electron. In this approximation, m by capital M is much lesser than 1. Therefore, this reduced mass is m capital M. I can pull out small capital M in the denominator, and one can rewrite this as small m by capital M. Since this is much lesser than 1, you can use binomial approximation. Therefore, you will get this term gets cancelled. This is approximately small. Therefore, the reduced mass of this system is nothing but what? Mass of an electron. Mass of an electron. Second problem. This is A, this is B. Second one is for the positron. Compute the reduced mass for the positron. Positron is a temporary combinations of positron and the electron. That is, antiparticle of electron is the positron. So they have equal mass but opposite charge. So therefore, mu is equal to capital M. Suppose I take mass of the electron to be capital M. Then the mass of the positron is also same. So capital M by M plus M. Therefore, this is half of this. So equal mass means then you have half of the mass of any one of this. But simple problem. The next one. Indicate which of the following central force fields are attractive towards origin and repulsive from origin. So force is attractive. The force is greater than 0, then if the force has a positive sign, then this force is repulsive force. If it is less than 0, like this, then it is attractive. That's all. So how to answer this one? For A, minus 4 alpha r cube r cap, where alpha is greater than 0. Since alpha is greater than 0, that's a number. Therefore, the force has negative. Therefore, this is attractive. Second one, F is equal to minus beta by root r cap, where beta is less than 0. So since beta, the constant is negative, so negative into negative is positive. Therefore, this force is repulsive. Therefore, this is repulsive. Third one is force r into r minus 1 by r square plus a square r cap where gamma is greater than 0. So the denominator term is positive definite, therefore there is positive, therefore r square plus a square is greater than 0. So the sign is different and gamma also is greater than 0. Therefore the sign of this force is determined by the sign of this term, this product term, r into r minus 1. If r lies between 0 to 1, then this is negative. So in that case, f is equal to if f is negative, this is attractive. So r greater than 1, that this becomes positive. This implies f is repulsive. F is repulsive. Finally, we have one more. The f vector is equal to there is some constant that is greater than 0, sine of phi by l r cap, and del is greater than 0.
Mr. Naina, sorry to interrupt. I think we can have one more case. R less than 0.
Yeah, r less than 0. R less than 0 because this central force, the force is acting towards the center, so r can be negative, right?
R is negative.
That can be 1.
Yeah.
That can be 1.
R can be 1. R can be 1, therefore force is 0. That means
It is both attractive and
both attractive and repulsive. So this is r and this is sine of pi by l r. So sine functions goes like this. This is positive and this is negative. So when I r is equal to l, when I put r is equal to l, 0, then r is equal to 2l, once again 0, 4l and 6l and 8. So between 0 to l, the force is positive, therefore repulsive nature. And between L to 2L, the force is negative, therefore attractive. Therefore, the general one can write this.
I think that is here.
Sorry, this is here. Oh, yeah. So this, you can write this r between this function, force function sine of pi by l r is repulsive. Similarly, 2l to 3l, this is repulsive. Then 4l, 5l, repulsive. In general, 2n are 2n plus 1l force is repulsive. Now between L to 2l, this function is attractive. Then 3l to 4l, this is attractive, etc. In general, this is 2n plus 1 2n plus 2. This is attractive. F is attractive. Next problem. Find the potential energy or potential corresponding to the central force field defined by. So force field is given. You are supposed to compute the potential energy. You can check that all these forces are central force because it is purely a function of r. Therefore, the curl of this force field is 0. The curl, therefore, it is irrotational. This force field can be written as one can write this force field as some gradient of scalar function. That is potential or potential energy. So, using that, so F is equal to minus alpha by r square plus beta by r cube r cap, where alpha beta are greater than 0. Therefore, there is repulsive force field. Now, this can be written as F can be written as so we have to compute B of R. So what is B of R? Since F of R is minus del V by del R cap. So F of R dot dr is equal to minus dV. So V is equal to minus integral F of R dot dr. So using this formula, we have to compute the potential. So this is minus integral alpha r power minus 2 beta r power minus 3 r cap dot r cap dr. This is simply an integration minus, so I can write this 0 to some r and to this to take it as a dummy variable. Therefore, this is a dummy variable, therefore I can put r prime minus 2 minus dr prime. So what is the integration of r power minus 2? This is, what is the integration of r power minus 2? Alpha r power minus 1, correct? By minus 1. Then beta r power r by minus 2 by minus 2. And limit 0. Now both these terms has negative sign, so there is negative sign outside. So alpha by, so if you substitute the limit, then you will get alpha by r plus beta by r. Like that one can compute for other three forces. So I write out the formula, answer out. The second problem answer is F is equal to K1 R cap. K1 is greater than 0. So potential is minus half K1 R square. So if I didn't specify the limit, I will put some constant, integration constant. That's that. Then third one. F is equal to K2 by root R cap. K2 is greater than 0. Then answer is minus 2K2 root R plus some constant, integration constant. If you specify the limit, this
Where
constant.
the answer is not right now. Should be minus alpha by r, then there is half the second term.
Thank you.
And the minus sign
It's
is
a minus.
both minus sign.
Both minus.
That minus sign.
Answer is outside there is a minus sign.
If it's minus dv by dr. So it should be.
Yes, sir. Already minus sign coming from here will be multiplied with the minus sign coming here outside this.
Then we go.
And right.
Minus integral by dr is not zero plus.
Upper limit is
No.
But limit is not. So
So
there is a minus.
what's
So minus 2. I
first
will do
is minus dv by dr, right?
What is that? I will do it.
Made what I thought, sir. See, if you take the derivative, this will have minus sign. So I think this will have minus sign. Final answer must have minus. That's what he said. Even I have minus sign. Huh? No, but see, if you take the
Here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is right, sir. When integrating this minus 2 by minus 2. So this is minus alpha is some constant r prime minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus beta alpha prime minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. So, last one is simple, that is f vector is equal to some beta times sine of pi by l r cap theta greater. Answer is, so integration of sine is cosine, and this is theta l by 5 cos of pi by l r plus some constant. You specify the limit at constant.
There is a small problem here. When you are doing this integration,
Yes, sir.
strictly if you put limit r equal to 0, it will go to infinity.
So I should not specify the limit.
No, you should specify. You should understand that as you are bringing that body from some infinity where the potential is 0 to a finite distance r in this potential.